Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my recipe for Mexican hot chocolate cookies. Now these are a nice spin on a regular chocolate chip cookie, but they have some cocoa powder in them and they're a little bit spicy. So I'm going to start out with 1.5 cups of flour, along with 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you want to mix that all together, and then you can just set those dry ingredients aside. So then we are going to start out with 1/2 cup of butter, and then we are going to cream that with 1 cup of dark brown sugar, mixing those together until they are nice and light and fluffy and all of the sugar is combined with the butter. And then we are going to add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the dark brown sugar will give the cookies a little bit more flavor because of the molasses that is in it, and it also means that they will be a little bit softer as it doesn't caramelize as much as white sugar does in the oven. And then once the egg is in there, you just want to beat until nice and light and fluffy. And then we're just going to add in all of the flour. You want to mix it in, and then you'll want to fold it afterwards to make sure that all of the flour is incorporated, as well as folding in 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. So the history of Mexican hot chocolate is over 4,000 years old, and it began with the ancient Aztec people, where they traditionally drank a drink made of cinnamon cocoa nibs that was mixed with either hot milk or hot water. So that doesn't really resemble what we have today. Now we will get ready to bake the cookies. I rolled them into tablespoon-size balls, and then I also rolled them in turbinado sugar. I had about a 1/2 cup, and I just rolled them around in that, and then after they were all rolled, I just pressed them down into the pan. So then we are going to bake these at 325 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. And with cookies, you always want to be sure to flip around the trays while they're baking, and also switch which tray is on top and which one's on the bottom. So you want to bake them until the surface cracks just slightly, and then you know that they are ready. These have a nice kick, and they're also not like any cookie that you've probably ever had before, with this combination of cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and cocoa powder. Thank you so much for watching. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, as well as on my website, bakingwithbrie.com. Be sure to check that out if you are interested, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss videos in the future. Bye!